Hi everyone, welcome to one of our Animal Antics videos. So we're going to be posting weekly videos to show you how to make stuff out of recycled materials that you might find around your house. For example, old toilet roll tubes, old bottles and things like that. And this week I'm going to show you how to make a really simple bird feeder to hang in your garden to help attract the birds from a toilet roll. So at the end of the month, I don't know if you know or not, the RSPB are doing a really cool citizen science project. If you haven't signed up for already, you should, because you get a free really cool pack and it helps the RSPB look at the numbers of different species of birds across the country. So this bird feeder will be really good to put out for that big garden birdwatch weekend that the RSPB are running, and it runs from the 29th to the 30th of January, so there's still time to register and to make your bird feeders. So let's get started. The things that you'll need are some toilet rolls, empty toilet rolls, some string, some lard, but make sure it's been left out of the fridge for a little while so it's soft, a knife, butter knife, and I'm not going to go everywhere, some bird seed. So shall we get started and I'll show you how to make one. So first things first, you need to get your soft lard and one of your toilet rolls. And what you need to do, this is the messy bit. You can use vegetable suet as well for this if you don't want to use lard. And you don't have to use a knife, you can get in there with your fingers too if you want to. What we're going to do is we're going to get some lard. I'm going to squish it all onto the toilet roll like this, all the way round. Oh, it's such a messy job. And so that it covers, and this is going to kind of be our glue. I don't know if you've bought fat balls from the shops before for birds, but this is kind of making your own fat ball on a toilet roll. So basically just spread that. You don't need much lard really. So there we go, just spread that all around like that. Make sure it's all evenly covered. There we go. So this is my toilet roll holder now, so it's covered in lard. Then what we're going to do, we're going to get our plate. I put your bird seed on a plate because it's easier to roll. And what we're going to do is we're just going to roll and press down our toilet roll so that all the bird seed sticks to that lard, like so. And then you can always get some and sprinkle it in the bits that are missing and push it down. Just try and get as much on there as possible. If it's not sticking too much, you can put more lard on too. Like I said, this is a very simple bird feeder that you can just make out of recycled things in your house. So then give it a bit of a shake so they don't fall off when you pick it up. And then I've just cut a length of string, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to feed it through toilet roll, and then just going to tie it on the end to make it secure, and then it can hang up. And basically that is your recycled bird feeder done. So there it is, a very quick and easy bird feeder using things that you've got around the house that might otherwise go in the bin. So stick that outside on a tree or wherever you want really, and then you can see what birds come and eat the seeds that you've put out for them. So do have a look at the RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch. It's quite a big event. There'll be quite a lot of stuff about it on the internet in the coming days, but it really helps paint a picture of the populations of different bird species that we've got in the UK. And it helps determine what conservation work needs doing and kind of what areas need highlighting for the coming year. So do have a look. and we hope that you've enjoyed making your bird feeder, and we'll see you next week for another Animal Antics video.